Here I'll show you how to change your default search engine on Google Chrome. So by default, when you do a search on Google Chrome itself, the default search engine is Google. So let me show you how you can change this so that you can search using Bing.com or maybe another search engine. So here I've got my Google Chrome browser opened up. So first I want to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right. Now you want to scroll down until you see settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on search engine on the left hand side. And now as you can see, it's currently using Google. So you want to go ahead and click on change. And now you can go ahead and choose all these different. So you can use DuckDuckGo, Ecosia, Microsoft Bing, Yandex, or Yahoo Search. So we'll go ahead and change to DuckDuckGo and then click on search on default. So now when I press home, it goes to DuckDuckGo, and if I'm doing a search, it'll use the DuckDuckGo website to do a search. So there you go, guys. That is how to change your default search engine on your Google Chrome browser.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and